All right. Hi, friends. My name is Rishabh Shah, and thank you so much for joining today. I know kal ke baad I have received so many messages ki what went wrong, why did you stop the stream so early, and what's the reason for you, just going off midway. Well, मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं कैसे figure out करूँ. I genuinely tried so many times, and after actually working on it for a day, I downloaded a different software and finally I'm going to go live. This video is sponsored by no one because if it was मुझे पैसे देने पड़ते उनको and this video is not sponsored by anyone. I'm just doing it for fun because I love playing chess. I started playing chess in November and since then I just can't get my brains around it. Like it's so difficult. I have been beaten a million times in front of my brother and friends, and I still like playing chess because it's fun. So if you are seeing this video and if you can see me properly, I just have one request. I just put it down in the comments पे लिख दो या at least put it on the chat that you can see me properly and everything's working properly. So I would love if I get your feedback from the same. Uh, let's not waste any time and let me start playing my first game. I usually like to play on Lichess, but it's a very controversial. There are two types of people who love playing on chess.com and who love playing on Lichess. I like playing on Lichess because you can draw arrows and all, but everyone plays on chess.com, so I thought why not, let's just try. I actually used a lot of settings and now you will see some crazy, okay, now you see some crazy things. As soon as you press any of those pieces, you will see cloud coming out of them. So I did all these animations and everything, and I'm gonna try to win my first game. This is my first game on stream and I just hope I don't lose this game because it'll be so embarrassing to lose. The guy started off with knight to h3. I don't know why, but okay. The only thing I know is chess में तुम्हें सेंटर कवर करना चाहिए और मुझे बस पीसेस के नाम आते हैं. That's about it, right? So if anyone thinks they can still lose with me, वो लोग क्या sad लोग होंगे यार. Please, you can. What is this guy playing? Is he trying to confuse me? I have no idea what's happening. Um, okay, let's just develop my pieces. Um, I'm trying to develop my pieces, bringing the knight, the bishop, both the bishops and the knights in the game. And I think I have a good strong center. If anyone's there on the chat, please let me know. कुछ भी लिख दो if you're in the chat. If you can see the stream, this guy is directly going for my f7 pawn, and there's a way to defend it. But if I take it with my king, I lose my castling rights. So let's not let that happen. I will put my queen to defend this pawn, to defend f7 pawn. Let's see what can we do. I hope what's he? Where is he from? He's from he's from Paraguay. Paraguay. What? I don't even know what that is. Shit. Okay, so this pawn is hanging empty now, and I have a good control over the center. How do you highlight squares in chess? You can do it so easily on Lichess. Why is it not happening on chess.com? This is why I feel थोड़ा weird playing on chess.com. इतना क्या सोच रहा है यार? PPG Sacks. PPG Sacks. Why are you thinking so much? Okay, he defended the pawn on g4. Okay. The point is that he has three attackers: the queen, the bishop. He has only two defenders actually, the queen and the bishop, and I have two attackers. So let's see. What I'm gonna actually do is kick the knight away. This is very annoying. I hate these knights. Huh? Knights are the most complicated pieces in the history. ये लोग कहीं भी कूद के जा सकते हैं यार, इनको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Let me see what you can play now. I can go for actually. Oh, so now there's only one defender because kicking the knight back actually stopped the defense of this pawn from the queen. So I'm just gonna take the pawn, and if he decides to take my knight, then he loses a piece. Now his knight is also pinned to the queen, so if he moves his knight, then he loses his queen, and his queen has nowhere to go. So my next move, I think, will be e4. E4 will be my next move. If anyone wants to play chess actually with me, please just send me a request on chess.com. My ID is Rushabh S. Rushabh Shah 013. I don't know my own ID. My ID is Rushabh Shah 013. He's attacking my pawn, but I am attacking his knight. If anyone's there, Ritika saying you're going to lose. Samar Joshi is saying the stream is going good, and Seema Gupta is saying no, he will win. Okay, yes, I know I'm going to lose. Okay, but why not? Okay, so now I can't take his knight because he's attacking my queen, and he's also going for the fork. Uh, a fork is basically when you attack any two pieces at the same time, and he actually can't go for it. What should I do? I think the best move would be to play. No, I can't do that because then I lose that. I think the best move is just simply moving the queen here. So now this way he can't attack this pawn because my queen is guarding it. Also, I need to develop fast. Now his knight is under attack, so he can't do anything about the knight, sadly. Harshom Gupta, yo, bro. I think Harshom Gupta was my tennis friend. When I used to stay in Ahmedabad, we used to play tennis together, and he used to beat me. Um, the sad thing is, I could have excelled in one sport in my life, but फर्स्ट पीरियड क्लास का मिस होता था एंड बिकॉज ऑफ सच sad reasons I could not participate in any sports. If my mom listens to, oh my god, he's coming a double attack on the knight, but now I can just take his knight, so it's okay if I lose my castling rights. Oh, but then he'll take my bishop. But then I'll have his knight. So he's attacking my queen. I wanted to give him a check, but I can't. So let's just take this knight. He will take my bishop, I think. He'll take my bishop on g4. Let me know if the stream is going good. Again, I need your constant feedbacks about the stream quality and everything. Ritika, I'm not going to lose. I will try. I will try to not lose. Oh, he took it with the knight. What? Okay. I don't mind. Um, okay, so now, let's just develop. He took the bishop. That's a good idea. Now, the point is, I want to castle queen side. I'm not so comfortable in castling king side. Oh, no, actually, oh yeah, actually, king side looks good. I'm gonna castle queen side. No, king side, sorry. Actually, chess ke terms, no, it's very difficult to. Oh, he's creating a pawn structure. So now I can't. Hmm. Okay, let's just develop. I want to castle on my next move. This guy has not castled, and I think. Oh, he's going after my knight. Should I? Oh yeah, I have two defenders. Oh. Okay, so the thing is, if I take his knight, he takes it, but then I have to take it with my queen because my queen will be under attack. And he also wants to go for the fork. I'm not going to let that happen. So I take his knight, he'll take it with his pawn, and now I'll take it with my queen. I hope I'm doing something right. If any grandmaster was watching this, He would be like, hey, hey, ये कौन खेल रहा है, क्यों खेल रहा है ये chess? But I hope whoever is watching this, at least I'm making little sense. Uh, ओह यार, ये अटैक पे अटैक किए जा रहा है, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा बिल्कुल। काफ़ी इरिटेटिंग बंदा है ये। व्हाट शुड आई डू? अरे यार, मुझे कैसल भी नहीं करने दे रहा है यार। इसका वो बिशप हट जाए ना C1 से, so I can take that pawn on. But okay, hmm, what should I do? What should I do? Any suggestions? Any suggestions? Uh, I think I'll move my queen and give him a check. Now, if he takes his, oh, he took his pawn, right? So now I'm not gonna let him advance with his pawn. But then I won't be able to castle actually. Uh, okay, if anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. Which side should I castle? I think I should castle. Yeah, he has no pawns. He has no pawns on the king side, so I'm gonna castle king side. Perfect. And I'm going to align it with my bishop. Okay, so I'm gonna align it. Okay, I have to align it nicely because if I will be attacking something, then I might as well attack it nicely. Um, okay, so he's there, and I think, yeah, okay. So let's just align it with the queen. The queen won't be able to take my rook because my other rook is there. He's all again attacking, man. Why is he being so difficult? Can't he just lose? PPG sacks. It's my first game, bro. Just lose and let me win and have fun, dude. आजकल के, oh, I can't even. Oh, my queen is trapped. Oh no. Oh no, my queen is not trapped. Thank God. Uh, I can move my queen to B6, or I can move my queen to A6. I think A6 is good because I will be attacking his pawn next. Oh, what? Why did you do that? Okay, I'm just gonna attack his pawn, and he, please take my bishop. Please take my bishop. Yeah! PPG Sachs fell for it. Oh my god, this is so sad. He fell for it. Now his queen is gone. His queen is gone. His queen is gone. So this is so much fun, man. I love this. Now what we can do is, can I can give a check, but he is still a bishop and two rooks up versus I am only one rook up. What should I do? Actually, that sounds like a good plan. I'm actually freeing up some. Oh, oh, thank God my pawn is there. Otherwise, my queen would have been stuck to the pawn. Um, no, I don't want to trade my queens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attack. Oh, oh, there are two attackers. Oh shit. Am I trapped? Please. I can't lose this, man. Mm, let me think. Let me think. Let me think. I think the best way is to just bring my queen here. Now there are two defenders, two attackers, so it won't make any sense for him to attack. If anyone, भाई वो PS2 वाले दिन भाई इतनी सेंस नहीं बन रही है. Oh, PS2 is the best console ever made. I think, I don't know. Let me know in the chats if PS2 was sold more or PS3. I have only 1 minute 36 seconds. Oh shit! Now what do I do? I'm gonna go here. Oh, but then that will be a discovered check. Okay, so Okay, so let's lose a queen. I don't mind. I'm gonna lose my queen. It's okay. I took his queen, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm one pawn up. That's about it. Okay, now what should I do? I Now he will start playing with my pawn structure, and I have to do this. I have to. And now I have to go pawn attack. Knew it. Now you can't even take my pawns or take my rook. I dare you. I double dare you to take my rook. Please don't take my rook. चला गया वापस. Scared. Huh. What is going after but? Okay, let's just do a pawn storm. I am genuinely very bad. Big fan of your work, sir. Inspirational. Parth Tukkar. I wish I was inspirational, but I am not. पार्थ आ यार चेस खेलते हैं. देखते हैं. थोड़ा इंस्पायर करो हमें. Why did he bring the rook there? Now he's going for the pawn attack. Now I want to challenge his rook. भाई रुक दे दे अपना please. He's not willing to give up his rook. Can I? Can I? Oh. Oh shit, 19 seconds. अरे भाई खेलो. Shit, I don't want to lose on time. I don't want to lose on time. अरे पार्थ फुटबॉल प्लेयर है. हाँ, Parth actually has played for nationals, and Parth Tukkar is my best friend. For all of you who don't know, he's been my friend for years now. And okay, I'm just gonna push my pawn, and then I'm gonna give him a check. And oh my god, I have only 4 seconds. Shit. And then I can just promote my pawn, and it'll be a checkmate. Checkmate, checkmate, checkmate. Oh, shit. No! Oh my god! I hate this about chess. पीपीजी सैक्स को मैसेज करते हैं. कौन सा है? परुग्वे वापस क्या? पैरुग्वे, I don't know. Left the chat room. Dude, this was an easy win. I could have won easily. I only lost on time. Shit, man. हाँ, कमिंग बैक. पार्थ, यस, पार्थ कुकर इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, एंड हम लोग डीपीएस स्कूल में जाते थे, जिसकी अभी नई ब्रांच प्लूटो के मून पे भी खुली है. एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो टू स्कूल टुगेदर, एंड हम लोग साथ में एक फुटबॉल टीम में खेलते थे. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले फॉर माई स्कूल इन फुटबॉल, बट वापस वही प्रॉब्लम की फर्स्ट पीरियड मिस होता था तो मम्मी ने बंद करा दिया था. Mom can't hear me, so that's good. Okay, if anyone wants to play, send me a request and we will play one more game. This time I should win. Ritika, yes, you were right. I lost, but I did not lose on tactics. I lost on time. There's a big difference. Okay, sir, I cannot play with you. You are an international level chess. Chess.com, I hope you can see this. Someone has just called me an IM, and I instantly need an IM title next to my 817 rating, which is so bad. Okay, first of all, on Lichess, it's around 1200. Okay, so I have I have I have played well, but I don't play so good. I told you in the start that I don't play good. Why is he playing so attacking? I'm not liking this. Oh yes, thank God. Okay, that's a good move. If you can stream my stream properly, Raj chess OP भाई chess OP हो जाए chat में. Parth Tukkar, thanks for stealing my Pluto joke. First of all, that joke was never yours, so please don't call it your joke. तूने Jupiter बोला था, तो you need some improv, no? Why is he playing so attacking? What should I do? He's going for this pawn, but I'm not gonna let him go. Queen. to d2. Oh, e2, sorry. Uh, yes, I think this is good. He can't. Oh my god, this guy is going nuts. पागल है क्या? क्या इरिटेट कर रहे हैं? ओके, आई एम गोना अटैक हिज बिशप. पीछे ले जा अपना बिशप, चल फटाफट. b5 पे ले जा, a5 पे. ओह, अरे इतना पीछे भी नहीं बोला था यार. नाउ आई एम गोना अटैक. ओह माय गॉड, देयर आर 3 अटैकर्स. ओके, चल अभी अपना नाइट पीछे ले जा फटाफट, इरिटेट मत कर. अंताक्षरी खेलनी है तो बोल. कुकर, अंताक्षरी खेलनी है तो अब भी आ जा. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा, अब भी आ जा. दिखाता हूँ तुझे अंताक्षरी. आजा, कॉल कर मुझे, वीडियो कॉल कर. इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू प्ले एनीथिंग, just video call me. I'm just doing this because um, जॉब चली गई थी. So yes, I'm doing it for fun. बहुत मज़ा आता है मुझे ये करने में. It gives me some sort of pleasure to stream, even though it's my first time. But yes, I'm liking this so far. Let's just attack his queen. भाई engine बोल रहा है कि फाड़ दिया तुमने ये मूव से, बट फिर भी मैं हारता हूँ. अयो, यार ही इज अनडेवलपिंग ऑल ऑफ हिज पीसेस. क्या इरिटेटिंग खेल रहा है यार. लेट्स जस्ट, चल इसका नाइट ले लेते हैं. The reason why I took his knight is so that now he'll have double pawns, and double pawns are a weakness. So that's the reason I am going for that. I lost my bishop, but that's fine. Now let's. Oh, sorry. Here king side wo hai na. So now let's. I don't know what to do. Castle? Should I castle? Yes. Castling. I hate castling. I will never castle in the start of the game, क्योंकि फिर वो सामने वाला का सारा फोकस एक ही साइड पे रहता है और मुझे वो बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है फिर. So I'm not gonna. I castle, which is I castle midway. Now the point is he has not developed, so let's push our pawns. Now if he takes my pawn, I come with an attack on nothing actually. Um I hope I don't lose. Is your real name Tanmay Bhatt? Okay. I think I need to tell you all of this in my first stream. I can't say it's my dream, but I just hope one day I get to stream with Samay Rena and Tanmay Bhatt. Like that would be the best thing ever. I genuinely want to stream with them, and I hope someday I will get the opportunity to do so. I genuinely want to, man. बहुत मन करता है. I can. Okay. वो रुक, बिशप लाने का इधर क्या मतलब था यार. I don't see any point him bringing the bishop. So what I'm gonna do is, actually I can't put. Oh, I can put my knight there. Oh, that's a good square. Oh, it's a check. Also. Oh, very nice. I like this move. Oh, engine ने बोला तूने फाड़ दिया. Thanks. IM का title chess.com. I need IM का title. I actually want to just. I think it's my dream. One day I will have some comedian with me, streaming with me live. I hope that works out. Okay. Can I give him a fork? A fork, fork. Actually, I can give him. No, actually. Actually, I'm going to give him a check again. And he will have to go back. Now the point is that he's lost his castling rights. So now I can just his pawn is attacked but also defended by the queen. I think I should bring my bishop into the game. But what should I do now? I think I will also bring my knight into the game. Oh no, I can't put my knight there because the queen is attacking it. Thank God. Uh, okay, let's just bring the king to a good square. Oh no, but then this pawn will be undefended. भाई चेस में कितना ध्यान रखना पड़ता है यार. इतना ध्यान पढ़ाई में दिया था तो. पार्थ बोल रहा है, hey, I know you. You are Nakul Agarwal's friend. Yes, me, Nakul, and Parth Kukkar are best friends. Uh, we've been uh, we've been friends for I think 8 years now. Now the point is that this pawn is not defended by anything on this planet. So I'm gonna just attack this pawn and give him a check. And I hope I can fork in the next move. नकुल अग्रवाल काम पे है यार, वरना मजा ही आ रहा था कसम से. Oh, I can give him. Oh, it's very close to checkmate. It's very close to checkmate. Checkmate. Next move, checkmate. Oh, shit, what? Oh, I didn't give a check. Oh, next move is a checkmate, no matter what he does. I dare you. No matter what you do, is a checkmate. You can't do anything. It's game over. Yeah, I think it's game over. Unless the best move for him is to move his king to f8. If he does not do that, okay, he did that. My first win in chess history. My first win in chess history on live stream. Thank you. Checkmate, Rahul. Rahul Yadav, well played. Well played. I think this is. I think we're going for at least 850 is a target today. Parth Kukkar, yes, I am that guy from the Airtel ad, which I am not at all embarrassed about, but I just don't like it. I acted in an ad of Airtel. I was the lead actor in Airtel 4G. I think you can check it out on YouTube if you type Airtel 4G. I think. Why don't we do that actually? Let's go to YouTube and try to find my ad. I was into acting before, but I left it because I don't know. I didn't like the process of becoming an actor, even though I liked acting and I was not so good at it. But I don't know. I didn't like the process of becoming an actor. I gave over 100 auditions. I think I gave over 100 auditions, and yeah, I think I got a couple of breaks in ads, but I think nothing more than that because I stopped going for auditions. Airtel 4G ad, and let me type my name. अगर मेरे नाम पे आ गया भाई, I think that should increase my challenge. Challenge का I think that should increase the chat. आया 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 यार. प्रतीक कुहाड़ का क्या करूँ यार. यार नहीं आया यार. शिट. ओके, नहीं, ऋषभ शाह निकाल देता हूँ. एयरटेल 4G एड 2000. एयरटेल 4G एड. अरे कहाँ गया यार. हाँ नहीं, हर एक फ्रेंड ज़रूरी होता है. ब्रो आई स्वेयर मैंने किया है. कोई लोग सोच रहे होंगे क्या फेंक रहा है. एक सेकेंड यार, अब दिखाना पड़ेगा. अब बात आ गई है ईगो पे. एयरटेल 4G 2018. यार यार एयरटेल वालों ने निकाल दी क्या. ब्रो व्हाट वाज इट कॉल्ड. अगर किसी को मिल जाए ना वो ऐड, प्लीज़ मुझे भेजो यार. मैं आई एम ड्राइविंग अ कार इन दैट ऐड. Airtel 4G uh, driving ad. I don't know if that makes sense. ब्रो कहाँ गई यार? वो टीवी पे भी आई थी वो वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे। आई थिंक वो चाय के लिए जैसे टोस्ट होता है वैसा नहीं। फूड यार नहीं मिल रही यार, अगर किसी को मिल जाए ना तो चैट पे डाल दो। एयरटेल 4G एड वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे आई थी यार, मुझे याद था। Dude, I'm driving a car. I swear I'm driving a car in that video. अगर किसी को मिल जाए तो। चाय किधर है? समर जोशी, चाय इधर है। दिस वीडियो इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय नो वन। ये प्राइम टाइम का कप मैं जीता था और इसमें चाय नहीं है। ठंडा पानी है इसमें। मम्मी ने बोला कि मैं चाय बना के नहीं दूंगी तुझे अभी। मैं पूरा टाइम फ्री होती हूँ क्या, एनर्जी स्टार्टेड रैंटिंग, सो आई वाज लाइक जुगाड़ जुगाड़ यार। कहाँ क्या हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, उसका नाम क्या हो सकता है? एयरटेल 4G एड। एयरटेल के वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं यार, एयरटेल के वेबसाइट पे नहीं एक्चुअली। होगा यार, 100% होगा, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। एयरटेल 4G एड। एयरटेल के उस पे जाते हैं यार, एयरटेल के पेज पे जाते हैं। एयरटेल नहीं हुआ ना, आई एम फाइलिंग अ केस। 868 के सब्सक्राइबर्स। उससे याद आया, आई थिंक इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस स्ट्रीम, प्लीज हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन ऑन द चैनल एंड please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments as to what should I stream on next. मेरा मन तो यही कर रहा है कि I keep streaming chess because it's my favorite thing. But right now I'm looking for an ad that I did in 2018 or 17 with Airtel. I was a lead actor in that role. Where did that ad go, man? Harsh is saying, I have seen your ad. Yes, yes. Even I have seen my ad. I was in. Oh, it's here. Got it. देख रहे हो, ये ad को 4.5 मिलियन व्यूज मिले। को ये पेज में सिवाय 18 मिलियन के और कोई नहीं है, और 6.9 मिलियन के। ओके, फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर न्यू टू दिस स्ट्रीम, वेट, फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर न्यू टू दिस स्ट्रीम, okay, I want to let you know I was in that ad and I am playing that ad right now. So this is so embarrassing, but the best part is I remember the lyrics, क्योंकि I think yeah, one of the main reasons why I left acting was because मुझे चीज़ें याद नहीं, I can't remember scripts. So okay, I'm playing my ad. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, you have to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Okay. फोन तेरी इस कार जैसी। फोन हो तो शो ऑफ होता है, फास्ट लेकिन ना हो तो मूड ऑफ होता है। आई एम ड्राइविंग द कार, ज़रूरी नहीं होता है स्लो वाला स्पीड, ज़रूरी नहीं है फ़ोन चीता पर स्पीड कछुए का हो, पर इज्जत का तो फिर फालूदा हो। 4G फ़ोन का फिर क्या फ़ायदा होता है? अरे यार जल्दी चलिए यार। I told you. I was in that ad. I think this ad has a very brief history to it. Actually, मेरे कॉलेज के एग्जाम्स चल रहे थे ad के टाइम पे, and we had to go to Nashik, I think, to shoot this ad. This is Vidhi, this is Shagun, this is Mridanjali, this is Kush. I'm in touch with almost all of them till now because I think it was my first proper ad as an actor that I ever did. So I'm in touch with all of them. Mridanjali has starred in a South Indian movie, so she's actually doing great. Vidhi is doing great in theaters. I'm in touch with all of them, even though I've left acting. सो यस, ये टाइम पे एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे थे एंड आई हैड टू भाई सीट बेल्ट, भाई वो उन्होंने नहीं, अरे सीट बेल्ट क्या ज़रूरत है यार, तूने एंड में देखा नहीं क्या? वो लोग ऐसे, हाँ मेरी गाड़ी लटक के जा रही थी यार, तो इसमें सीट बेल्ट पहनने की नहीं ज़रूरत है यार, वही तो पन था. ओके, so next time I will show you what other ads I have done, but as this is a chess stream, you're going to focus on chess. अगर मैं अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ यार, किसी को चेस खेलना है मेरे साथ, तो प्लीज़ सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट एंड you know send me a request and we'll play. I think this is my second last or third last game. I'm gonna stream till 4:45 I think. He's going for the scholars mate. इसको क्या लगता है, मुझे नहीं आता क्या चेस? So annoying. Now, for all of those who are new to chess, please don't try to attack the queen in one go, because then he will take this pawn, giving you a check again, and you'll have to defend it, and then he'll go here, attack, or nonsense shit. So the best thing for do is to just bring your queen here. मैं उसको counter attack नहीं कर सकता actually अभी, क्योंकि उसने ये move खेला है. So I was planning to bring my bishop here so that I could give him a counter attack, but that's not going to happen. अब ये queen फंस गया, अभी क्या करेगा? So this queen will have to go back. Go back, go back, go back, go back. The queen will go back and then we'll develop our pieces. What? He's going for that. Oh shit, I don't know what that means. Oh, is he gonna go from here? I think his next move is bishop to b5. Bishop to b5. अगर उसने bishop to b5 खेला तो कुछ नहीं, हम डिफेंड करेंगे. मैं क्या सोच रहा था? Okay, let's just. Oh, I'm gonna give an attack. Oh shit! Oh my god! There was no piece defending that. Oh god, so annoying this is. Now he'll take all of my pieces, man. I hate this. Now what we'll do? Now he'll take this pawn. Take, take, take. I'll give. I'll give. Now I've got my bishop to save this pawn. Now what will you do? He took my rook. Oh shit, he can take my rook. I forgot. Arey shit, yeah, now this knight is being pinned. I hate this game. Now let's trap the queen. I hope I can trap the queen. Nice Photoshop skills. I hope ये Photoshop होता और मुझे Photoshop आता, but I don't know Photoshop. पार्थ राज सिंह, अपने इंस्टा से दिखाओ ना. हाँ यार, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के भी है, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है. अरे यार, ही एस्केप्ड, रासोल एस्केप. Okay, now what to do, dude? He played really well. I think I'm gonna just attack the. Yeah, but now I can't attack also. Let me just defend that pawn. He can't take that pawn because it's defended now, so he has to bring in another piece to attack. If you can see this stream properly, please let me know in the chat below. And oh, he's going for a checkmate. Oh, I was going to attack the queen. He's going for a checkmate. He's going for a checkmate. What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna save it. Now this is not a checkmate, unfortunately. ये कौन है? आशीष. ठीक से खेल यार. ये कोई मजाक है क्या? Nonsense. Now let me just. Oh यार, क्या करूँ मैं? अब मैं क्या करूँ? अब मैं क्या करूँ? क्या मेरे? इस टाइम मेरे सीने से नजर नहीं हटती. That's not what I meant. I miscalculated the joke completely. Okay, let's attack the queen. Arey yaar, but now we'll simply take the pawn. Kill me. Please, someone kill me. Oh, so frustrating. Oh, oh no, thank God, because the bishop was attacking. What to do? What to do? The best move is this. Must chale che stream. Okay, thanks, Cooker. Must chale che stream. Okay, I'm getting actually a lot of messages from people that they could not join. It's okay. Oh, my next move is a fork. 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 Ah, he defended it. Asshole is getting too much. What to do now? Dude, I've lost all of my pieces. Hmm. Now I can't even get. No, what should I do actually? I think let's just move the. But if I move my king, I lose my bishop also. I honestly have no idea what to play. Should we go for a checkmate? Let's do that. Oh no, I can't go for a checkmate. Oh shit. Oh god. Now he's bought his bishop. Oh man, this is so frustrating. Uh, the point being, if I capture the pawn on f2, I bring the king out and that does. Ooh, so I take my king to. Arey yaar. I'm gonna lose this match badly. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Oh, but there is still one more possibility. Let's just hope that it works. There's actually no good move. Yeah, it's a. I think he's gonna checkmate. Yeah, he played very attacking. I forgot that move. I was live streaming and playing. I really liked your second on YouTube. I really liked your second on YouTube. Parth, what does that mean? Please explain it to me. Okay, now we have to just. Arey yaar. Oh. He's just taking away all the pieces, man. And this dark square bishop is covering this square. There's nothing to attack. I think, yeah, we can do this. And then we can go from. We can. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what do you want, dude? Why are you so annoying? Now he's gonna attack my queen. No, but he can't attack my queen actually. I've lost this game. Definitely. I've definitely lost this game. सेकेंड वीडियो पर तेरे पास एक काम था कि तुझे ढंग से बस टाइप करना था. सैडली तू वो भी नहीं कर पाया. मतलब तू सोच रहा है. Can you see what you're doing? Oh, oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. I can't play that because there are too many defenders to it. And my queen is also under. I'm pinned to the king also. Hmm. So what to do, man? This is so frustrating. I'm just gonna attack the queen. I'm just gonna attack the queen. If you're new to this stream, if you are new to this, just please hit the subscribe button, and I'll be streaming more of these stuff for all of you. It's been what? It's been 45 minutes since I started streaming, right? I think it's been 45 minutes. Yes, I'm gonna stream for 15 minutes more. If anyone wants to play chess, or if anyone wants to, अरे यार, this guy is frustrating to another level. If anyone wants to play a game, or Parth is saying and I had to play chess, आना पार्थ, आना तुझे दिखाता हूँ. दूर से बोलना बहुत इजी होता है पार्थ. यही चीज़ आपको सीखनी चाहिए जिंदगी में. I think he's going for a mate. No, he can't go for a mate. Actually, do this bishop dude. Okay, let's go attack. Let's go attack. I don't care where I'm taking my knight, but I'm attacking. The sad part is उसके पास इतने सारे pieces है, फिर भी उसको गेम खत्म करनी नहीं आ रही. आशीष, नाम याद रखूंगा मैं. 51200 तू गया. Oh shit, an attack on my queen and a check. Oh, he took my queen. Shit. He took my queen. Oh man, there's no point. Let's just resign. Shit, man. He took my queen because I can't move any. If I move my king, then he simply takes my queen. And then there's no point taking this because then I don't know. He can't still do a checkmate. I don't know what he'll do. That's just sad. I think yeah, he would have given me a checkmate. If I go here, then he would have. Yeah, this was checkmate. Yes, chess.com, that game slipped through my fingers from the start. I was bad. Please, someone help. If they're new at it, if you know how to play chess, help me. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, we'll play 334. I think I can play one last game. One last game. If anyone wants to play again, I'm saying send me a request and we'll play live. I think you guys are scared. Actually, I can't say that after my last game, but yes, you guys are scared. Okay, Century Gowda. कौन नाम रखता है यार ऐसे? ये क्या सोच के नाम रखते हैं यार ये लोग? सेंचुरी गावड़ा. कैन इवन टेल मी व्हाट दैट मीन्स? क्या मतलब है यार इसका? So stupid. Okay, first I'm gonna bring my knight out to attack. Mind you, इसमें पानी है क्योंकि मम्मी ने बोला मैं इस टाइम पे तेरे लिए चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी. Oh my god, what is he going for? I think I'm gonna go for this and I'm gonna attack with my knight. Attack with knight. Let's bring your pawn first. Now he also bought his pawn. Okay, let's develop. Let's bring my knight in. I hope he does not bring his knight in the center to d5. Let's develop pieces quickly. Yeah, I do always helping only. I forgot. What? For what? Unnati, please let me know what you mean because I just forgot. This is the worst thing, dude. I keep forgetting everything. I have no idea why that happens. I just forget. मैं उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकता यार. Unnati, I'm really sorry. Please let me know. Bharat Shah has written, ha ha ha. I'm happy I did. I made you smile 1%. Oh, now he's gonna take my pawn, but he can't take my pawn actually because it's Kari my rook. So what I'm gonna do is that's interesting actually. He took it with his bishop. Now the point is actually I'm going to attack his bishop. Should I? Or should I save this pawn? Or should I save my knight? Pawn or knight? I think knight. Oh, yeah. I think yeah, knight with b5 goes with the tempo. Oh, engine ने बोला फाड़ दिया तूने move से. Thanks, engine. I think I can defeat anyone. You asked if someone wants to help me. I said I am always helping only. When did I ask that? Did I? Help me for what? Shit. You asked if someone wants to help me. Oh, if someone wants to. Oh, yes. If someone wants to help me in chess. Oh, thank God. Thank you, Unnati. Yes. I want help. It will be great if you could help. Thank you so much. I took his bishop. He's going to take my knight. I have the bishop pair. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thanks, Unnati. Thank you so much. And now I haven't castled yet, so I think it's high time I start castling. Bishop. Sorry, Unnati, I forgot. Unnati saying bye. Sorry, yes. Yes, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about that. My bad. You know, I'm bad at remembering things. I'm again telling you it's one of the main reasons why I left acting. It was because that I could not remember my lines. If you guys take this seriously, it's a serious issue. I'm gonna just take it with my pawn. Now he has two attackers and he's gonna attack my bishop with this. If he takes it with the knight, he can't take it with his queen because my of course. Uh, but now I have. Let's just add an attacker to the knight. Oh, but he will take my bishop. This is what happens when you talk and stream at the same time. Please don't distract. You can distract actually. That's what the stream is for. You can distract. What should be my next good move? Let me know in the chat. What should be my next good move? Let me know. Let me know fast. He gave me a check. He gave me a check. What to do? What to do? I can't save it with my queen. Actually, I can save it with my queen. But then my bishop will go. Should I just lose the castling rights, or should I block it with my queen to give him an attack? I think giving up the queen would just be losing a bishop. So I'm just gonna go and actually connect my rooks. So the next thing is to actually bring my rook in the center. Now he's gonna take my bishop, I think. I think you've forgotten one more thing, Rishabh. Parth Kukkar, what is that? Please tell me, please entertain us with your humor, with your sad humor. No, I'm joking. Actually, Parth is one of the reasons why. No, he's not one of the reasons, but he's been a very important person. Let's just say that. Okay. So now what are you gonna do, bro? I'm gonna attack his queen. He gave you a check. You give him cash. See. Can we have Vihan OP in the chat? I think that's the first joke someone's cracked in the chat. I think Vihan is the first person to crack a joke in the chat. Parth Kukkar, don't irritate now. How to be funny is saying. You forgot how to be funny. Thanks, Parth. I think you can help me with this to be funny. Nonsense shit you're saying. Don't irritate me right now. Okay, what to do? What to do? Let's double up on the rooks. Oh, engine said best move. Okay, Vihan, good joke. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Okay, now the point is. Oh, wait. If I take my rook up to e8, rook takes, and I can attack with a check. The king moves to h8. And then I take the rook as well. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Good move. Good move, Rishabh. Good move. I'm gonna get my rook back. Oh shit, he took it to his queen. Oh shit. I completely forgot about that. Oh, this is why I hate chess. I absolutely hate chess. I just lost my rook for free. If someone can teach me to play chess, I would be eternally grateful to them. Vihan OP in the chat. Bhai Vihan OP in the chat हो जाए please. What an amazing joke. Okay, I'm going to bring my rook to attack the queen now. He has to move. Okay, now I only have one idea is to make the pawn go away from d3, push him to d4, bring my bishop here, bring my queen here, and then give a checkmate. This is never going to happen. अरे यार ये बहुत इरिटेट कर रहा है यार ये अभी बकवास इसको बोल रुक हटाए अपना उधर से प्लीज एंड समवन टेल हिम टू मूव हिज रुक because he's irritating the shit out of me. Okay, do I want to open files? Okay, what can we do if I can go here and attack the queen? Okay, so let's go here again. दूसरा लोग बोल रहा है शिट यार मुझे भी फंसा दिया इसने. Oh my god, sorry यार. Everyone has to die in this game and in life no matter what. Oh, what is queen here? Oh, is that good? I don't know. Is that good? Okay, I'm not going to make the same mistake again. But what I am going to do is remove the queen. Oh, oh, this can be checkmate. This can be checkmate. Now, if I bring my queen here and then the bishop comes down, and then oh my god, it can be a checkmate. Oh, I didn't mean to move it there. I didn't mean to move it there. Oh, I didn't mean to move it there. Shit. He wanted to attack my queen. Yeah, I think probably should have been a good. अरे यार engine ने बोला छोड़ दे तू. He gave me 2 points. Yeah, I don't know what that means. He gave me shitty ratings. Shit, man. This is what I don't like about chess.com. I think Lichess is way better. I love Lichess, but currently I'm playing on chess because a lot of people play on chess. So, okay, he's going for this pawn. Okay, now can we do that? Okay, let me just save my pawn, and then I'll put my queen on f5, bring my bishop to e4, and then give a checkmate. Oh, but then I can't put my queen there because my bishop. Oh, because his bishop is there. Oh shit! Thank God. Can you please bring your What? Say what? Why did you? Oh, he's trying to bring his rook into the game. Oh, and then he's trying to attack. Oh shit. What should I do? What should I do? Should I attack his queen? Arey yaar, but then he'll go for my last pawn, which he anyways will go for my last pawn. Okay, okay. Let's go here. But his rook is also connected, yeah. So I go here. Okay. Oh yeah, we. Oh no, but that still can't happen. What to do? What to do? I think I have only 2 minutes. Oh shit. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'm gonna attack. Oh, engine said 58. Thanks, engine. I'm gonna win this game. Thank you so much, whoever has been a part of this. Yes, I was supposed to end my stream at 4:45, but I'm just. Oh my god, I'm just losing a rook. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get attacked. I know. He's gonna take it with his bishop. Oh, he's gonna take it with his rook. But if you did like this stream, if you even smile for a bit, please hit the like button and actually show some support. Uh, Thank you for all your love and all the support that you have given me for this. And I can't go anywhere, dude, except where should I go? I think this is the best move. Then the point is I can give him a back rank mate by bringing my bishop here to e4 and then bringing my queen. Okay, so he does that. He gives me a check actually. Wow. Bye khatam. Now it's over. Park Cooker always helping me. Yes, Cooker, you should. That should be your top responsibility. Yeah. Okay, I'm bringing my bishop in. Oh my god, he gave me a check. He's gonna take. Oh no, he can't take my bishop. He can't take my bishop. Please move your rook. Please move your rook. Please move your rook. Somewhere. Anywhere. Just from the last rank. And it's a checkmate. One move, he moves his rook and it's a checkmate. One move and it's a checkmate. Please. Oh, actually, yeah, it's a checkmate. It's a checkmate. Please move your rook. Century Gowda, which has no meaning in life. Please just move your rook. Let me win this game. Please. Arey yaar, he's going for this attack. So what to do? What to do? What to do? Yeah, he's not moving his rook. Does anyone have any idea what to do? Please help. Okay, let me just push. Let me just push my pawn. Now move your rook. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna take it. Okay. Okay, I can still win this. I can still win this. Please. Please. Oh, but I covered my path to the queen. Oh shit. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's sad. Yeah, but I still have a path. Oh, I can't go away now. It's a check. Oh, it's game over. It's game over, guys. King is going to the other side of the board. Actually, now I know how difficult streaming is. Hats off to Samay Rena and everyone who is, doing this. I still have place to go. Where am I going? Oh, time out. जीत जाता यार मैं. Easy win था. Easy. All right. This is going to be the end of this stream. If you guys did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, and let me know in the comments down below as to what should I stream next. And thank you so much, guys, for joining. I hardly think that there'll be anyone watching this except 3 to 4 people. But अगर जो भी 3 4 लोग देख रहे हैं, thank you so much, guys, for watching. You have been extremely supportive, and you guys have been extremely good. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next stream. I think my next stream is going to be on Saturday, and I will guys see you on Saturday. I think same time around 4 o'clock. So thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Um, all the gambits that I played in chess were called Vistalov gambits. Vistalov gambits is a gambit where you lose every match. So guys, I suggest you don't play Vistalov gambit because you will only lose. Uddar Tajja is saying one match. उद्धार्थ बोल रहा है लास्ट मैच. चल उद्धार्थ लास्ट मैच. ओके, ओनली फॉर वन फ्रेंड नेम उद्धार्थ. ही वांट्स टू प्ले चेस विद मी. कहाँ था यार इतनी देर? 1 घंटा हो गया मुझे स्ट्रीम किए. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर द बेस्ट. रितिका, नो यू आर नॉट द बेस्ट, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. मीन्स अ लॉट. हाँ उद्धार्थ चल रहा है. रिक्वेस्ट भेज. ही सेइंग एक लास्ट प्लीज. ओके उद्धार्थ, फटाफट सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट. पानी भी खत्म हो गया यार अब. प्लीज कितना पानी पीऊं मैं? चाय भी नहीं है यार. अभी मम्मी आएगी. 5 बज गए. आई थिंक ऑन सैटरडे आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस you guys to my mom on live stream. I think, would you like that? Please let me know in the chat if you want me to introduce my mom online on live stream. If you want, please say yes, or please let me know in the chat if you want me to introduce my mom. On the chat, she's currently sleeping, and I told her to go inside because I'm streaming. So my mom is actually very frustrated with everyone in the house because she wants to she wanted to watch TV, and I told her no, I have to stream, go inside. मम्मी बोली मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ इस घर से. Whatever she's all Indian mom rants. Okay, last game with Uddharth. Come on. I hate this move because I don't know what that means. I'm just going to play e4, e5, sorry. Okay, last. Okay, he's I don't know what he's going for. I hate this part. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to go for this. Knight g6. Uddharth has disconnected. हाँ, Uddharth has reconnected. Okay, thanks. Uddharth, अगर मैं जीत गया तो क्या? पहले ये बता. अगर मैं जीत गया तो क्या? What will you give me? Let's just attack his knight. I hate knights. I hate knights. Okay, Steam's looking good. I'm just gonna go for his knight. I hate knights. You take his pawn. You take your pawn with your queen. Oh, sorry, you take your pawn with this also. Now he has a strong center. Okay, now let's just. Now he'll attack my knight, yaar. I hate this. Okay. Okay, no one's attacking me. So let's go here. नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर सैटरडे को किसी को खेलना है मेरे साथ तो यार प्लीज़ मुझे बता देना. आई बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू प्ले एंड हैव फन विथ यू गाइज. नाउ इज बॉट द क्वीन टू अटैक माई नाइट यार. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोना डिफेंड इट विद द क्वीन. Now he's blocked my connection with the. अरे यार उदार्थ यार. यार ये ऐसे लोग ना बहुत इरिटेटिंग होते हैं जो लोग ये पॉन स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. उनको हर चीज़ में सिक्योरिटी चाहिए होती है लाइफ में कि यार कोई पीछे से आके ना मार दे. सो अगर आप कोई भी प्लेयर को देखो कि अगर ये लोग ऐसा पॉन स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, मतलब दे आर वेरी स्कैर्ड इन लाइफ कि उनको कोई पीछे से आके बैक स्टैब ना करे. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट all of you guys to please be humble with all those people who play a pawn structure like this. बहुत डिफिकल्टीज फेस करनी पड़ती है यार उन्हें लाइफ में. अब I'm going after the queen. I don't. The only good with this pawn structure is now I can cover all these squares between them. Hmm. Okay, let's move the bishop away. If you are enjoying, please let me know in the chat. If you guys are liking this, please let me know. अब ये मेरा ये pawn खुला रह गया यार. But now this knight is always defended, so I like that. Okay, I knew he was going for that. What to play? What to play? I think what I should do is actually let's just go for the queen attack. Oh, but he can just take it. Oh no, he can't take it. Okay, thank you. Okay, whoever's watching this, I don't know. I think there are two people watching this. Two people watching this. Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing, and you guys have been really good and supportive in all of the things that I have done. And uh, now I'm going to give him a check and pick up his bishop. Thank you so much, whoever is watching this and whoever is continue to, you know, giving me all the support. I just want to thank you with all of my heart for supporting me always. And I know this is actually very difficult to do, but I just had to. I had to go on stream once. So thank you guys. This is my last game, and after this, I'm gonna stop. What? What did he take? He took my pawn. Okay. I'm gonna take his pawn. Now he's gonna pick up my rook, man. So annoying. उद्धर मैं ध्यान से नहीं खेल रहा है वरना तुझे इजीली हरा देता मैं. ठीक है ना. अभी मेरा ध्यान बहुत सारी चीज़ों में. अंडरस्टूड. ओह, what is he gonna do? It's very difficult actually. Actually, I'm gonna play bishop and then he's gonna take my rook, give me a check, and then I'm gonna come here, and then he's gonna take this pawn with a rook. उधर तो इसीलिए जीत रहा है क्योंकि ओह, I also attacked that pawn. तो इसीलिए जीत रहा है क्योंकि तू स्ट्रीम भी देख रहा है साथ में. और ये चीटिंग है और ये चीटिंग हम बिल्कुल नहीं होने देते. उदार्थ, यू हैव बीन बैंड फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. You have been banned from my stream, Udarth, for being so reckless about it. Okay, I just want to bring my rook into the game. Yeah, again my king is roaming in the center somewhere. Ah. Okay, whoever is watching right now, thank you so much. Arey, why can't I? Oh shit, what a move. अरे इज गोना टेक माय रुक. अरे भाई जीत ले यार. यार ये सब तू देखते देखते कर रहा है, मुझे सब समझ आ रहा है. जीत ले भाई, जा. जीत गया तू. एक्चुअली नहीं जीता वो अभी तक. If he moves his queen, his rook is gone. Maybe I shouldn't be suggesting him all the ideas. Udarth, please understand that the only reason you're winning is because I am letting you win. Okay, for all of those of you who have joined, who have messaged me, and are on, no, it's on. People are asking me if the stream is still on. So, yes, it's still on, but it's going to get over in 5 minutes because I've been streaming since 3:30, 3:45, I think. And it's 5 o'clock and I'm tired, kind of. इतना मैं अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं बोला हूँ यार. अरे, please, what are you doing, bro? Now his knight is under attack. I'm just close to losing. I'm 1 second away from losing. There's one person I think watching this stream. I will remember you for life. Please remember. I will remember you for life. That one person who's watching this stream now. Thank you so much, whoever it is. Oh no, I can just take it. He tried to fork my queen. Let's give him a check. Oh no, I can't give him a check. Shit, bach gaya. Let's try to. Let's go here. And then let's play queen to d6, trying to go for a checkmate, but that's never going to happen because Siddharth is smart, and also because he's watching this stream live. Now the point is, I'm going to go to attack. Oh, I think it's a checkmate. Oh no, is it? No, I think no. It can't be a checkmate. Yes. Okay, he has to go for one more move, and I'm gonna go attack his rook. Yeah, Ruddar, please, if you want to win, win nicely or don't win. But you can't do this, man. This is absolutely cheating. You can't watch my stream. रुद्धार वीडियो कॉल पे आ जाता है यार, मस्ती करते हैं हम लोग. Oh yeah, now he's trying to attack my queen. But I'm just gonna go here and I'm not going to tell him what I'm going to do. Please, Udat. Oh shit, but my king is there, so I can't actually. Oh shit. Hmm. ओके 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 भाई मेरा किंग सामने वाले के बोर्ड तक पहुंच गया है यार. गिव मी अ चेक. अरे यार अरे नाउ आई एम सपोज टू. अरे इट्स चेकमेट भाई. भाई वेल प्लेड. भाई वेल प्लेड भाई. एक मूव से बच गया उधर. एक मूव से बच गया तू. वरना तेरा चेकमेट था. ओके सो ah that was a good move actually. I didn't have any option. एक मूव बच गया भाई. एक मूव. I think I should have. Yeah, I think the best move here was to play pawn. And if he would have taken it, then I would have given him a discovered check, and his only way was to go there. But then I would have given him a check. He would have taken it. I would have again given a check. I think it's just game over. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much guys for joining. उधर अगर तू स्ट्रीम नहीं देख रहा होता और खेल रहा होता ना, पक्का हरा देता मैं तुझे. इस बार मैंने तुझे जाने दिया क्योंकि तू स्ट्रीम भी देख रहा था मेरा और खेल भी रहा था. दिस इज द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ प्लेइंग विद प्लेयर्स हु एक्चुअली वॉच द स्ट्रीम. सो सैड. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this stream. I will be back on Saturday again. If you guys had fun, please let me know in the chat section down there and also in the comments. And if you did like this stream, please hit the subscribe and like button and just support me in any way you can because I just want to do this and it's going to get better and better in every stream that I do. So, thank you so much, guys, for joining. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.